Hello again, this is Matt Coffman with Axle Racing Performance Engineering. Today I'm introducing this 2006 Porsche Cayenne Turbo S. This vehicle started out with 248,000 miles on it, one of the higher mileage ones I've ever seen. When we started with this, it had zero compression in cylinder number 2, and turns out that it had a broken valve. We decided to do a full engine rebuild on this. I tore it all the way down to the main crank, so we got new crank bearings, new connecting rod bearings, new timing chains, new tensioners, timing chain guides. We got new water pumps, rebuilt the turbos. With all the components that are now on this car, this engine is as good, if not better than new, and is ready for another 248,000 miles. So the question is it worth rebuilding these engines? My answer is yes. You cannot buy a used salvaged motor that you have a guarantee that it is in 100% operating condition. A used motor is a used motor unless you rebuild it. The cost for a new motor is astronomical. So rebuilding these is the answer. You do not get all the options and features of a Cayenne Turbo S in today's cars. If you have a Turbo S or regular turbo or any of the Cayenne series, I can rebuild them for you. These things are well worth it. Give me a call.